Passage number 12. Start the nations which neglect women's all-encompassing role in all spheres of society, ranging from homes to other societal institutions, neither can bring up new generations nor do they can fully exploit the resources of production. Full stop. Restaurantly, people keep growing in the dark and remain grappling with numerous problems ranging from ignorance and poverty to healthcare issues, unilateral decision making, so on and so forth. Full stop. Paragraph. Women's role in all shares of society is often neglected in almost all countries of the world. Full stop. However, the institution is far worse in developing and underdeveloped countries, and an extreme disparity exists even in terms of provision of fundamental rights to rural and urban women. Full stop. Although women from all backgrounds are relentlessly the victims of gender inequality all over the world, the life of rural women in developing societies particularly is synonyms with misery, turbulence, and an unending struggle for survival. Full stop. Since 2007, when the world's urban population came at par with the rural one, there has been an unabated rise. The former, though the latter still has a significant presence, and rural women account for nearly 50%. Full stop. To recognize these women's role in rural societies and to attract the attention of all and sundry to solving their problems, and United Nations celebrated 15th of October every year as International Day of Rural Women. Full stop. Paragraph. A long time ago, I was in a quandary, QUANDARY. Full stop. I do not obtained basis academic qualifications, attempted a professional degree, and needed to figure out a career path. Full stop. And while I did that, my far from impressed parents instead that I get a job. Full stop. So I took path toward TROD by thousands of young women in urban Pakistan. Full stop. I got a job as the class teacher for grades 2 and 3 at one of Islamabad's up and coming private schools. This was no middling level schools of Dobitious DUBIOUS standards. Full stop. Today, I must ask what qualified me to be the primary person handling the teaching of multiple subjects to 7 and 8-year-old children, question mark. I was, to be honest, a law school dropout with what even then had been reduced to that most pedestrian of BA degrees for the educated, English literature, this was my first real job. Full stop. Why was I considered fit to be the conveyor of education to children who were in the formative stages of learning, tackling concepts, understanding the roots of analysis and critical thinking, developing the ability of question and across reference, and so on, question mark. Surely such potentially life shaping power should have gone to a person with at least relevant experience, if not a degree, to say nothing of commitment. Full stop. Paragraph. The Secretary, Energy and Power, who was also holding acting charge of Irrigation Department, has been transferred and given charge of the Irrigation Department. Full stop. Agriculture Secretary has been transferred and posted as Secretary of Excise and Taxation Department, Javed has been transferred and posted as Secretary of Labor Department, while the Secretary of Labor Department has been directed to report to Establishment Department. Full stop. Senior member of Revenue has been transferred and posted as a number of Inland Revenue Service. Full stop. Paragraph. In a case where the authorized officer decides not to have an inquiry conducted against the accused, the proceedings must be finalized by him within a period of 45 days from the date of receipt of the direction under Rule 5, and a report to that effect submitted to the authority. Full stop. In a case where the authorized officer has appointed an inquiry officer or inquiry committee, he should ensure that the entire proceedings are completed within a period of 90 days from the date of receipt of direction under Rule 5, and shall by the inquiry officer or inquiry committee, as the case may be, within the prescribed period, the inquiry officer or a inquiry committee. Full stop.